Hi, this is Dr. Chris from Mission Possible Rich Dentist Super Conference. In the next couple of minutes, you're going to learn how to dramatically increase your case acceptance and significantly lower your overhead. Sound crazy? Well, listen to the story of Dr. Jeremy Thompson from Riverton, Utah. Jeremy is an excellent clinical dentist who, a few years ago, had a busy, stress-filled, high-overhead practice. He was frustrated because he felt overworked and underpaid. So did his team. So he hired a consultant. Well, the well-intentioned consultant worked on the practice and Jeremy became busier than ever before. However, he found himself working faster, more hours, with more stress, and was not taking home any more money than he was before. So we sent him a video just like the one that you're watching. In it, he discovered the simple yet powerful answers to the key systems and verbal skills to help him reduce his stress, increase his bottom line, and take a lot more vacation time. Now he only works 12 days a month. Does that sound impossible? Well, it's not. He's got control over his practice and he's happy as a bug with how much he's getting paid and the amount of time that he has off. So, is your practice doing what you want it to do? Are you happy with where your practice is going? Do you ever worry about money? Because chances are that just like Jeremy and many other dentists today, some of the things you are currently doing in your practice through no fault of your own are just flat wrong. And with the tough times that many are experiencing right now, dentists are learning that the old way just isn't cutting it anymore. Production has not risen or gone down. New patient numbers are down. General dentists are now doing more of the procedures they used to refer out. Yet, during tough times, dozens of our Brady Group practices are experiencing growth and prosperity. So how are they doing that? Well, by simply changing their approach, by eliminating the old way of doing things. For example, are you educating your patients or telling them what they need, hoping they'll buy the dentistry that you recommend? Your attempt to educate your patients could very well prevent them from accepting comprehensive dentistry. Brady Group members don't do that. Are you doing one tooth at a time dentistry? Is your practice insurance driven? Practices who are insurance driven often cause confusion in the patient's mind, causing them to rely on their insurance to determine how much dentistry they should do. Usually that's one tooth at a time. Now Brady Group members don't do that. Are you working too hard and too many hours or too many days? Well, just like Jeremy, Brady Group members just don't do that. They take from 6 to 12 weeks of vacation each year, and that includes their team. Brady Group members understand that the old way of doing things simply doesn't work anymore. Times have changed. So when is the last time you provided the new systems training for your team? My guess is that it's been a while. Even you might need more training. And waiting will cause you to lose literally thousands of dollars this month alone. Where can you learn how to sell more cases, lower your overhead, reduce your stress, and take more time off? Well, stop worrying and get to my upcoming Mission Possible Super Conference. It's 3 days of power-packed, highly classified information, generally reserved for Brady Group members only. But now we're down to allowing only 4 more non-Brady practices to join me on this mission. So are you ready? If you're not getting the results you desire, then you need to think about an upgrade. I think you'll agree that probably the entire office needs a boost, a kind of a shot in the arm. So here's some of what you and your team will learn. First, decreasing the wear and tear on you and your team. We call that stress. So if you're stressed, that tells me you have the wrong systems in place. Second, having more fun and fulfillment by doing the kind of dentistry that you're trained to do. You don't need different patients. Number 3, the obvious one, make more money, a ton more money for both you and your team. I'm hesitant to tell you how much more money many of our clients are making because oftentimes people think that I'm cooking the books to make things look better. I'm not. You can call these dentists if you want. Many are making up to 6 figures more of net income. Teams are making an extra $12,000 to $20,000 each this year. One office is going to make an extra $50,000 in bonus money. See, I told you that you'd raise your eyebrows. A lot of people don't believe me. Now, fourth, the flagship topic of the 3 days will be the group of mini systems that make up the easiest, most effective, most profitable, least stressful, non-pushy approach to presenting dentistry that you've ever encountered. From the first phone call to the hygiene visit and complete exam and records to scheduling and pre-collecting the money, all spelled out in great detail. When was the last time you picked up your sticks for an afternoon of R&R? Are you ready to step up to the launching pad, strap on your seatbelt, and fly with me? Go on, register now, and I'll see you at the top. Also, notice the last-minute specials that will save you thousands. Sign up now because seating is limited.